Welcome! If you're tired of getting random invites to private servers on Roblox and want to take control of your privacy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to prevent anyone from adding you to private servers on the Roblox app for PC, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or lines. Click on that to open the menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you can adjust all your account preferences to make your Roblox experience safer and more private. Next, go into the section called Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where Roblox lets you control who can interact with you and how visible you are to others on the platform. Now look for the option labeled Visibility and Private Servers. Click on it, and then find the setting for Private Servers. This is the key area that decides who can add you to their private servers. You'll see a few different options for who can add you. To stop anyone from inviting you, simply choose No One. By selecting this, you're making sure that nobody can add you to their private servers unless you change the setting in the future. That's it. With these quick steps, you've just locked down your privacy and stopped unwanted private server invites. This update gives you more control, so you can enjoy Roblox the way you want, without interruptions or surprise invites from strangers. Remember, you can always come back and change this setting if you want to allow friends or specific people to invite you in the future. For now, enjoy your new level of privacy and keep exploring the Roblox universe on your terms. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you next time.